Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a server error on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Duolingo. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. And then you will update your app. So please don't forget